In today's video, I'm going to teach you restore a page from a previous version, how to restore a WordPress page that got messed up. If a page or layout went sideways and you need to roll it back quickly, here's a clear, safe way to start fresh and get your page looking right again on WordPress.com. We'll begin from your WordPress.com dashboard. Head to the Sites area so you can see the list of websites connected to your account. Click to open the site you want to fix. Once you're on that site's dashboard, look for Settings in the left sidebar and open it. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Danger Zone. This area contains irreversible options, so move carefully. Choose Reset. WordPress will show a detailed warning explaining what a reset does. Read it closely. Resetting removes all content and customizations, but it keeps the site itself and its web address active. If you used a custom theme or made visual tweaks, those will be cleared. Only proceed if you're sure a clean slate is the right move for your situation. Next, you'll see a confirmation panel that displays your site's domain and may ask you to type it to confirm. This step helps prevent accidental resets. Carefully enter the domain exactly as shown, then confirm by selecting Reset Site. The reset will run, and your site will return to its default state, which often resolves tangled edits and makes it easier to rebuild the page properly. After the reset completes, open the site editor for your home page. WordPress may guide you through a few on-screen prompts. Click the highlighted controls it presents to continue. These prompts help apply the default template and load the editor with the standard blocks. If you see notices to accept changes or proceed, keep clicking the highlighted options until the editor is fully ready for edits. With the default layout in place, review the page content. This is your clean foundation to restore the look you want. When everything appears correct, click Save in the top corner to commit your changes. Finally, choose Launch to make your restored page live. Launch ensures your updated layout is visible to visitors. A couple of tips as you work. Always read the reset warning carefully and double-check the domain before confirming. If you only needed to tweak the homepage, you're now starting from a dependable default. And once your page is restored, consider making a quick backup or note of key settings so future rollbacks are even easier. That's it. You've restored your page to a stable, working version and published it live.